When Daddy's Truck Picks Me Up, written by Jana Novotny Hunter, illustrated by Carol Thompson. When Daddy's Truck Picks Me Up. Daddy and me and my daddy's truck, rig of the year. Rig is another word for semi-truck. It's Daddy's turn to pick me up. I get up fast today. Daddy drives a tanker truck, and he comes a long, long way. I'll see you soon. I love to ride in Daddy's truck. He picks me up from school. Then I have Dad to myself. We think that's so cool. My daddy's picking me up today. I'll wave Mom a big goodbye. I just can't wait, Daddy's coming, that's why. Love you. I'm on my way. Heading down the highway with his engine thumping. Roar, roar, roar. My daddy's coming. Excuse me. When it's Daddy's turn to pick me up, I make the day go zoom. I drive my big red tanker truck. It's my time with Daddy soon. Brum, brum. Thundering through the tunnel, headlights help to see. Bursting out the other end, Daddy's coming for me. Go through my tunnel, burrowing like a hole, going darker and deeper into the big, big hole. They each go through a tunnel here, don't they? He's in his tunnel, and he's in his tunnel. Zooming, zigzag down the hill, singing our favorite tune, rocking, rolling, roaring, Daddy'll be here soon. I'm waiting and waiting so hard, I hum our favorite song, humming through my sandwich, Daddy, don't be long. Truck stop. Filling up his fuel tank, checking the tanker's load, getting something just for me, then Daddy's back on the road. When Daddy picks me up, I paint a smile big as can be. It's bursting off the paper, the way Daddy smiles at me. Shifting down to first gear, taking that bridge real slow, crawling like a giant snail, still a way to go. School's getting out now. The grown-ups are on time. They wave and kiss and pick up their kids. All the daddies, where's mine? Beep, beep. Stuck in heavy traffic, engine running hot, grinding down, braking hard, slowing to a stop. Oh no! I'm making Daddy hurry up. Come on, Dad, don't be slow. I'm waiting hard. I want you now. I really need us to go. When is Daddy coming? Soon. When? Screech! Made it! Do you see him in the back window? Looks like he's cheering. Here I am. Daddy! Then Daddy picks me up. He swings me round and round. And it's me and Dad. Daddy and me. Whee!